Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to add transitions to your TikTok videos. Before you begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. Adding transition effects to your video allows your shots and clips to tie in together to create a professional looking video. Especially on TikTok, you need to grab the viewer's attention in order to get views. So to begin with, let's open up your TikTok video. Now record your video or upload a video from your photo gallery. So in this tutorial, I'll upload a video from my photo library. On this screen, you can choose your song or you can tap on default and choose it later on. Then tap on the next at the top right. On this next screen, tap on effects at the bottom. Now tap on transitions. Now you can move the playhead to any location on the timeline. Below the timeline, you have a wide selection of transitions you can apply. On each transition, it gives you a preview of how the transition will look like. To apply the transition, just tap on it. The transition will be applied to where your playhead is located on the timeline. You can apply multiple transitions to your timeline by moving the playhead around and tapping on transition. You can also tap multiple times to repeat the transitions. To remove the transition, you need to tap on the undo arrow below the timeline. It needs to be done in the order you have applied. So the first transition is the last transition to be undo. Once you're happy with the transition you have applied, then tap on save at the top right. Now you can add your sound, text and stickers and then post it on TikTok. And there you go, that is how to add transitions to your TikTok videos. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.